frame cameras are nice, price not so nice. In this video I show you how to get a decent full frame camera for less than £200 or $300 US. Unboxing time. Don't know what you should do with care. Perhaps I should handle that knife with care. Tape there. It's a Canon EOS 20D box. I'm hoping they've not sent the wrong thing. It's eBay, so you don't know. Oh, look at that. Christmas, a bag, a rubbish bag. Oh my god, he's put toilet tissue in here. I hope he's not wiped his arse on this. No, it's clean. Look at all that tissue in. I don't know if it's accurate, but it's quick at doing something. Focusing is not terribly slow nor awfully fast. As long as it's not painfully slow, it's manageable. You get used to it, plan your shot, and you make lightsabers out of iPhones. Oh, it's clever that, isn't it? Oh, too bad I shot it at f1.4. Bokeh. Okay, get in there. And then we need one of these. Yes, it's still working. Check that out. And it's time to fish out the SD cards. Unfortunately, they had a bit of lover's tiff, resulting in the other one moving in with another fish. So we gave Matey Boy here a few toys to keep him company. Wash now. One, because they stink, and two, the conclusion to our not. DSLRs are hugely expensive items. If you want to learn photography, it may require shelling out a significant chunk of your pay packet. Even an entry-level Nikon D3300 would set you back around $600 or 500 Great British quids. Me and Locke got challenged to buy a DSLR for $100 US, £60. So what can you get?
I still can't find it.